Hi all, welcome to the video. In the last video we looked at how we can do mean imputation for columns which are numeric and have few or one NA value. Now let's say there might be cases where we have a categorical variable and it has an NA value present in it. We'll look at how we can create it and how we can create a custom function that takes care of the entire thing. Now I have created a data frame which has only a single column which is product, and we can see that in the third row there is an NA value present. Now how do we treat it? The thing is there is no custom mode function. There is a mode function present, but it is not directly built or suitable to handle NA values, so we have to do certain modification. So the way to do modification is to create a custom function, and let's say I create a custom function which is mode fun, and I basically do this, which basically takes a character vector x, and let's say I assign it to a variable x. Now what we need to do is we have to basically group this. Once the data frame is created with the variable var holding the character vector values, we just group it by var, and then we take the total count of the unique values, total count. So this will be equal to this, and then we ungroup it so that we retain the same data frame object, and then we take the first value. This will give us the maximum value or count of the unique values with the maximum number of records. We then select that value, and then we basically pull out the value or pull out that particular value. Now the thing is, selecting the variable will result in a data frame. If we have to get that value or that vector, then we have to essentially use a pull. Now we assign it to z, and then we return z. Now let me run this function. Now we have run this function. Now let's use it on the data frame. What I will be doing so before this, let's again look at the data frame. So if I have to replace the product, if I have to replace the NA value within this product column with the mode, we can definitely see that the mode is A. So this NA value should be replaced with A. So let's see, product 2, product 2, where I'm saying if there is an NA value within the product column, then basically use mode, sorry, basically use func underscore mode of product column, else just retain the values. So we see a new column product 2 has been created, and the NA value in the original column was replaced by the mode of the product column. Now again we will just remove the product column and rename the new column as seen in the previous few blocks. If I do this, I will just get the new column with the replaced NA values. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to my channel.